All right, folks. So, as a committee, we have about 38 applications to review. So, if you've been on the committee for a while, you'll know that we had originally paper applications, then we moved to Qualtrics, and this spring I've been working with InfoReady and spending a lot of time getting InfoReady up and going. And so, if you haven't used InfoReady, it's really good for what we will be doing. So, if you just go to your open browser and you can just Google Fresno State InfoReady, and that will bring you to your login for your Fresno State login. It looks like it logged me in automatically. Right at the top, you'll see you have reviews that have been assigned to you. I just assigned those out this morning, and so everyone will have the total amount of applications minus their own. We will not be self grading our own applications. So you click on that link there for the 36 applications, and you can see it starts with the RSCA awards, and then it goes into the Provost Awards, and then finally here at the bottom we have the Dean's Creative Activity Awards. So I'll just start on the first one, and I just want to show you that, and I just entered these in for fun. I haven't reviewed this one yet. But the application itself is right here. So if you're looking at this and it says, oh, well, we just have this rubric, where's all the information? If you just click on this little icon, it's a drop down and it shows you the application. So it looks like this one is, I think this one is Luke's, maybe? Or perhaps they're, you can't see who's, anyway, so whoever's it is, I guess it's not as important as the deal. But so you read through it, and then we have these questions on the bottom that the committee established as a rubric that was probably 4 years ago. And so if we want to change these in the future for next year's, we can do that. But these were just some basic questions as a rubric to kind of give us a ballpark of where the different applicants stood. So please enter your comments below. If you do not wish to leave comments, then you can just put not applicable. But introduction of the scope and purpose of the research and creative activity as defined. So we're just trying to get an idea of, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being outstanding and very clear, how this applicant did. And so maybe we just say, okay, this person did 8. So you kind of have to toggle back and forth a little bit, or perhaps you could just open another screen and have them side by side, however you want to do it. But what we're looking for is the merit of the application. And so you might want to go back and review, and once again, I just threw in these 5s and 6s to demonstrate what how to do it. I haven't gone through and ranked this application yet. But once you get to the bottom, and it's also really helpful to leave some notes in here, because when we meet, it'll help you justify something. So for example, if you gave a budget a 3, you could say, budget did not include whatever. And so you can have those notes when we meet on Thursday. And then you can go through and you can save it as a draft if you want to continue to come back or tweak things, or you can just submit the review. And then you just go ahead and go on to the next one. And you just work your way through these and have once again, remember to show the drop down there and be able to go through and kind of get an idea of the different projects that are out there and how you would rank them in terms of their rigor and their feasibility and that type of thing. So in the past, we've had about 5 or 6 Provost Awards, about 12 to 13 Creative Activity Awards, and I think last year we had 4 or 5 CSA awards. So just to kind of give you a ballpark, we don't know at this point how much we've been awarded for those 3 categories, but we just need to rank them and move forward from there. So that is just a brief overview. If you have specific questions, please shoot me an email or give me a call, and I'll be happy to walk you through those as best I can.